Water on Mars buried beneath surface, says study. Billions of years ago, Mars was home to lakes and oceans, but where all the water went to transform the planet into the dissolved rock, we know today have been something of mystery. Most of it was thought to have been lost to space, but a new study funded by NASA proposes that it didn't go anywhere but is trapped within minerals in the crust. We are saying that the crust forms what we call hydrated minerals, so minerals that actually have water in their crystal structure. This was taken from the Schiller's paper published in NDTV. So, in fact, Schiller's model suggests anywhere between 30 to 99% of the initial water remains trapped inside these minerals. Early Mars was thought to have enough water to cover the whole planet in roughly 100 to 1500 meters of ocean. Because the planet lost its magnetic field early in its history, its atmosphere was progressively stripped away, and it was assumed that was how it lost its water. But the authors of new study believe that while some water did disappear, the majority remained. Using observatories made by Mars rovers as well as the meteorites from the planet, the team focused on hydrogen, a key component of water. There are different kinds of hydrogen atoms. Most have just one proton in their nucleus, but a tiny fraction, about 0.02%, have both a proton and a neutron, making them heavier. These are known as deuterium or heavy hydrogen. Because the lighter kind escapes the planet's atmosphere at a faster rate, the loss of most of the water to space would leave relatively more deuterium behind. But given how much water the planet is believed to have started with, and the current rate of hydrogen escape observed by spacecraft, the current deuterium to hydrogen ratio cannot be explained by atmospheric loss alone. What are the permanent losses? The study authors instead say there was a combination of two mechanisms: the trapping of water in minerals in the planet's crust, as well as the loss of water to the atmosphere. Anytime that you have rock and it's intersecting with water, there's a series of very complex reactions that form a hydrated mineral, said Schiller. This process, called chemical weathering, also takes place on Earth, for example in clay, also found on Mars. But on our planet, volcanoes recycle the water back into the atmosphere. Mars, however, doesn't have tectonic plates, making the changes permanent. According to the team's simulations, the planet lost between most of its water between 4 to 3.7 billion years ago, which means Mars was pretty much like we see how it's today for the past 3 billion years, said Schiller. She added she was excited about what the Perseverance rover, which landed last month for multi-layer science mission on the planet, might be able to contribute to the area of research. The Perseverance rover is actually going to investigate exactly these processes and reactions that cause the subsequent of water in the crust, she said. The team's model contains multiple scenarios which they to compare a new data acquired by the rover. We can start to say these parts of the model aren't working right and the parts are that going to help us get closer and that's all in this video. See you in the next video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.